As you know that tomorrow our national team is playing against Nigeria. How do you think Coach Hugo Bruce should line up for tomorrow? I have my own predicted lineup. First, in goals, obviously Ronan Williams, right back. Zugum Dunyela had a good game against Lesotho. Then centre back pairing has to be Mbokazi and Ngezana. Mbokazi for a ground jewels, then Ngezana for aerial jewels to stop those aerial attacks from Nigeria. Then a left back Obrimo Diba unchanged nje Obrimo Diba. Then in midfielder it can stay the same. Tebogo Mkwena, Talente Mbatha. Then as a 10 we play Sipombule. Sipombule is very good. He's very good lapha endishini. He can play and dish those passes to our forwards. Then our forwards, I think it shouldn't be changed. Lyle Foster, Mohau Ngota, then Police. Then in the second half, we introduced the likes of Mfukeng, Sibelebele, if there are no injuries. Mfukeng maybe he replaces Mbule or he replaces Police. It will depend on the performance of the team at that time and how are we chasing the game or are we now defending our lead. We will see what will happen on that game. What is your predicted lineup? Because this is my predicted lineup for tomorrow, and hopefully the boys will come with it. I am Spero Dlamini, and I'm always bringing you the latest from the world of football. Predict your lineup for tomorrow's match against Nigeria. Follow me on TikTok for more.